This is the ice mask from Perfecore, and you can see when it's frozen, you can kind of push the beads around a little bit better and put them exactly in the area you are in. Oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. I want to use it all the time. I feel like ice is one of the most underutilized tools that we have. And so this is an ice face mask. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This one is the purple one, but they have a bunch of different colors. They all work the same. It doesn't really matter what the color. And quite frankly, no one is going to see me in this. So other than you, but I like purple, so I chose the purple one. But the beads feel amazing. On the inside of it, you've got this really super soft, velvety material, so it feels really soft against the face, and it's not too cold. So it feels really good, but what I'll do often is I will put it on this side of my face, like this, and then as it starts to lose some of its cooling, I will flip it over and go this side of the face just to get a little bit more cold. But be careful if you're going to do that, because you don't want to, you don't want to get your face too cold. But the cold really starts to kind of like help with like firming up some of these little areas that kind of sag a little bit, brings down any kind of inflammation. So it really feels really good, and it is a fabulous way to refresh yourself in the morning. Now, I wish I had a little freezer right next to my bed, because I would probably lean over, throw this on, and maybe like chill out for like another 10 or 15 minutes before I got out of bed. But I have to get up and go downstairs to the freezer to get it. But that's my morning routine. I get up, go down to the freezer, grab that, come back up. I might make my tea or whatever, and then come back upstairs, and I have this on as I'm getting other stuff ready. So really great. It's got these little Velcro things. Velcro's in the back, real easy. So it will stay secure where you want it. So once again, thank you so much.